What's up, y'all? My name is Slick. I've been told a couple times that I need to record these installs I do because people kind of want to know, and I think I need to put it on YouTube. So today what I've been doing is putting these springs into my heads of the LS. I'll do another video explaining what I'm doing, what I have, and all that jazz. So this is what's going on today, though. Check it out. So this install that I'm doing is the valve springs and the retainers and the retainer clip keepers. I think that's what they're called. I'd have to look it up. I already lapped the valves. That's why people are telling me I need to make these videos, because people were like, oh yeah, it would be nice to see it. So I've already lapped the valves. I've already made sure the seal is pretty good. So once I put these springs in, I'll spray some brake clean down into the holes and see if it holds liquid, and I'm pretty sure it will. So tools you'll need: a rubber hammer and a valve spring clamp. So basically this clamps the spring down so you can get the retainer clips in, the retaining keepers in. And then the rubber hammer is for after the springs are in, you want to give them a whack, a slight whack. So if the keepers aren't seated all the way, the springs can pop off, and you don't want that to happen. So if you smack it and it doesn't come off, then they're installed all right. So let's get to it. Real quick, I'm gonna talk about lapping the valves. Lapping valves is basically taking a compound, which is these two compounds, and putting it on the valves to create a better seal. When the valves come from the factory, they're basically smooth, and this stuff, there's a coarse and a fine. As you can see, I guess it's upside down, but coarse and a fine. And basically the coarse has, these both have sand or whatever in it to basically cut grooves, and it just helps create a seal basically. So you put the coarse on, of course it's rougher, cuts it deeper, it cuts a deep groove into it, and then the fine basically smooths it out and makes it seal better. How I did it was with my DeWalt drill. Put the end of the valve inside of it, and then just and got it to seal up. So in short, that's how you lap valves. Just a quick little talk through, since I didn't do a video on it. So now to put in the springs. So I know you can see in the video, but those little retainers, they look like that. And basically there's a groove in the valve that sits in, which holds the retainer clip dealy, I can't think of the name right now, holds it in and stops the spring from shooting out. So these hold onto the valve, the spring pushes on the retainer, and then the retainer pushes on these clips, which, as you see, they're tapered. So it pushes on the taper and this stops it from shooting out. Liquid when you spray it, you'll spray it in and there should be no liquids coming out of any of these holes. So let's try this. Nothing comes out. Nothing comes out. Just to make sure nothing's coming out. So check this though. All the liquid's coming out of there, so they're sealed up. Check the intake. Well, no, that's the. Now we're gonna check the exhaust side. So spray it in, spray it in. Spray it in. No liquid coming out. Good. Definitely gonna need some more brake clean. So that's it on the install that I have for now. Next up will be the trunnion upgrade on the rocker arms, and then the head should be done. So they're basically done now. So stay tuned for the next video. Thanks.